I thought what we are going to do, starting Monday.
If we find anybody paying,
no Ugandan,
we are going to
Ugandan will ever pay
the routes. Nobody must
from Monday. We shall never pay this.
We shall never.
We don't know.
I swear before God.
I know this is fully people.
Animals did not elect us.
Okay.
How can we protect animals?
We are not going to pay. We are not going to pay for this road.
Sincerely.
You are going to open this route by force, by fire, by thunder. How about Kasese people? Why are they enjoying and us we are paying?
Hello, Queen Elizabeth Road. We are not paying. You are not.
Who has sent you here to come and penalize us? We are not going to accept. Open this gate for us.
So we are not going to pay for forever and ever.
Well, Pato Loverboy, chakado nyiki style mama part doi, par yuma raj, eto part yuma bear. Noni Pato Loverboy, Twitter account medoika anak lone hacks. Ucharo chung kechuli matera rida kungion madia juli, haji raro, ex Pato Loverboy manu lone Pato Loverboy official. In on the recent post to twale post mobile achiel mobile lokum Gilbert Olanya eno wajo lok materi ye ma abikwani way lok materi ye to twale me achiel Nindwe Peru Bichel Chawa Pa, I mean to say Chawa Angwan Kidakira Pa Rio, Mudiku, Loverboy, Uchwalo, and Yampa Monomakluni Tweetani. But how does government expect the people of northern Uganda to pay all the fees after the closure of Karuma Bridge? Magonyani, Amanda Mon, Tamoni, Jomi, northern Uganda. Kong Chakachulu, will Iguni, will China, any Wang Nini, Picato, Picato, we nam Yungelo or Karuma Bridge. So in the enter expressing Chuechwine Komgimoti Mengamomaglune 6 p.m. Replying next time vote wisely negative energy. Then somebody Lune Smith Galati Wayne Parallel Boy 24 for MP Gulu City. I think Benakaraba Parallel Boy Chungchi Marmite. John commenting in politics. This is not politics, this is activism. Then Miss Lau 2024 replying Meraki automatically until next time Uganda. Then Dr. James Bruder Cheng appreciate feet and so on. So
I'm not here. We want to
from Monday, they do not pay here. I don't know we stop it. Yeah, we don't know nonsense.
We told Parliament we shall be driving here for free. Everybody must go for free until that 3 months is done. We don't care about this.
We don't know nonsense.
When the money collected is being stolen everything.
The most recent one I was sharing video sharing video Gilbert Olanya clashing ki Uganda Wildlife Authority GNG MPHL West Nile, which when he isn't Honorable Gilbert Olanya, the god of Acholi. Well, to me, it says he is one of the gods, and of course Loverboy is also among the gods. Oh, good fans are Eddie Wheezy, Gitamani no William Bay try. But then Eddie Wheezy also among the gods. Now, Gin Loverboy to a team enemy. A miracle point, my dear board and is a good thing. This kind of advocacy, Kagama deal you don't say it because look at your following in social media when I went kind low. Very fast authority ingoni gini kape wa timu dugura cheko mwa for my dear board Pato pay gire tachi gin ma deal wa ko metere ikwal woni ye kumeno be